Are you ready to discover something new? Picture a device that blends the peacefulness of nature with modern technology. It can mimic the sound of gentle raindrops while filling your room with the soothing scent of your favorite essential oils. This isn't just about practicality, it's about turning your space into a calm, relaxing haven. Stay with us as we introduce this unique device and show you how it can enhance your home's atmosphere, bringing more relaxation and comfort. Don't miss the grand reveal at the end. Have you ever seen a cloud float indoors? Discover the floating cloud, a fascinating gadget that combines innovative technology with enchanting design. In December 2014, Kralev, a company from Eindhoven, approached Richard Clarkson's studio with their groundbreaking magnetic levitation technology. They wanted to merge this technology with Clarkson's cloud products, and both companies agreed it was a perfect match. By early 2015, they faced two main challenges: hiding the magnetic platform and powering the cloud wirelessly. Kralev's solution was a mirrored glass and wooden frame, creating the illusion of the cloud levitating above a pond. To keep the cloud lightweight and efficient, they used a LiPo battery and a smaller speaker. Their collaboration, making weather, resulted in a stunning prototype. A promotional video of the prototype quickly gained attention from design blogs and international media, sparking many inquiries about a commercial version. Refinements followed, including removing the reflective glass for better levitation and reducing the platform size to cut costs. They also introduced a specialized USB cord with a magnetic connector for convenient charging without disrupting the levitation. The final product, a limited edition of 100 units, was a hit. Half were pre-sold at launch, and the rest sold out within a year. R&B artist Drake even purchased several units and shared a video of the floating cloud in his Toronto home, further boosting its popularity. The floating cloud is an ambient lamp featuring magnetic components that allow it to float 2.75 inches off the base. While the base stays plugged in, the cloud is powered wirelessly by a lithium-ion battery. Its full rotational movement and slight vertical bobbing create a realistic atmospheric experience, complete with sound-reactive LED lights. This journey, from design to production, was a joyful experience for both teams, bringing a sense of wonder and magic. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to swim like a creature from the deep? In 1954, Raku Browning wowed audiences as the gill man in Creature from the Black Lagoon, known for its distinctive webbed hands. Today, the Darkfin Durafin gloves bring that same aquatic agility to life. The Darkfin gloves come packaged with instructions and warnings about latex allergies. The gloves are easy to put on, using water or lubricant, fitting comfortably and transforming hands into webbed marvels like the iconic gillmen. In the water, these gloves significantly improve swimming efficiency. Without gloves, swimming 15 meters takes 13 seconds. But with Darkfin gloves, it only takes 10.89 seconds. The larger surface area of the gloves boosts propulsion, enhancing both breaststroke and freestyle swimming. The gloves are also effective for surfing. They make paddling more efficient and protect from the sun, sand, and sea creatures. The anatomical design ensures comfort and dexterity, making it easy to handle gear and small objects. The glove's latex construction with a cotton flock finish guarantees durability and a secure grip. The Darkfin Durafin gloves is a robust upgrade from standard power gloves, featuring a triple-layer latex construction for better durability, protection, and thermal insulation. They are ideal for activities like riverboarding, spearfishing, and wreck diving, offering a perfect balance of propulsion, dexterity, and protection. Designed for serious water enthusiasts, the Durafin gloves feature an elongated gauntlet for better wetsuit integration and come in a wide range of sizes. Made in the USA, these gloves are not just a nostalgic nod to movie monsters, but a functional and durable addition to any aquatic adventurer's gear. The swinging stick is a mesmerizing kinetic sculpture that visually captures the concept of perpetual motion. Invented by two German friends, this sculpture blends metal, magnets, precision sensors, and mathematical principles from chaos theory to create an elegant and seemingly gravity-defying motion. Hand-assembled by experienced engineers, the swinging stick features a sleek, sophisticated design that changes speed and direction fluidly, providing a relaxing and hypnotic visual experience. Powered by 4 AA batteries, the sculpture operates nearly silently, making it ideal for quiet environments like offices and medical spaces. The swinging stick has garnered international acclaim and can be found in prestigious locations such as the Museum of Modern Art, Amazon, and select galleries. Its popularity soared after being featured in the film Iron Man 2, solidifying its status as a premier kinetic sculpture. This high-quality piece is perfect for various settings, including conference rooms, waiting areas, and foyers, where it serves as a captivating centerpiece. The aluminum sticks, powered by a magnetic base, continuously rotate with a hypnotic effect, appearing to defy the laws of physics. Each set of the swinging stick is meticulously crafted to ensure maximum efficiency and elegance, using a combination of sensors and a neodymium magnet to maintain its perpetual motion. The design's precision allows for a meditative and stress-relieving atmosphere, making it a perfect addition to both personal and professional spaces. Experience the magic of the swinging stick by adding this unique kinetic sculpture to your environment, transforming it into a place of tranquility and wonder. Imagine having the power of a high-end gaming PC in the palm of your hand. The GPD Win 4, a handheld gaming PC, draws inspiration from the 2012 PlayStation Vita's design, featuring a larger frame and offset joysticks. It stands out not only for its resemblance to the Vita, but also for its powerful specs, including a Ryzen 7 6800U processor, 16 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, and up to 1 terabyte of NVMe storage. This configuration enables the device to run modern games at medium to high settings. With dimensions of 8.7 by 3.6 by 1.1 inches, the GPD Win 4 boasts a sleek design and incorporates a full keyboard hidden beneath its 6-inch screen. Although the keys are flat and limited, they provide a tactile alternative to Windows 11's on-screen keyboard. The device offers both mouse mode and controller mode, enhancing its versatility for gaming and general PC use. The layout resembles an Xbox controller, featuring tactile face buttons, a D-pad, and clicky bumpers. It includes built-in mouse functionality and a small trackpad below the right joystick, improving its utility as a mini PC. A fingerprint reader below the D-pad allows for secure login via Windows Hello. Connectivity options are extensive, with USB Type-C ports on the top and bottom, a USB Type-A port, a headphone jack, and a high-speed microSD slot. The screen, although not OLED, is bright and clear with a 1920 by 1080 resolution, supporting both 60 Hz and 45 Hz refresh rates to reduce screen tearing. Performance is a highlight of the GPD Win 4. It handles demanding games well, especially when settings are adjusted for the 720p resolution on the small screen. The 45.6 watt-hour battery provides around 2 hours of gameplay at a median 15-watt TDP, with more demanding settings reducing this to about an hour. Running a full, bloat-free Windows 11 installation, the GPD Win 4 ensures compatibility with a wide range of PC games and applications. This makes it not only a gaming handheld, but also a potential replacement for a traditional PC when docked with a monitor and peripherals. Ergonomically, the GPD Win 4 is generally comfortable, though its smaller size and flat keyboard can feel cramped during extended use. The joysticks and buttons are well positioned, making it easy to navigate and play games. Despite minor contrast issues with the screen in darker scenes, discover the mesmerizing world of the floating cloud, a revolutionary gadget that seamlessly blends innovative technology with enchanting design. Born from a collaboration between Krelev and Richard Clarkson's studio, this ambient lamp defies gravity, floating 2.75 inches off its base and creating a realistic, atmospheric experience with sound-reactive LED lights. But that's not all. There are even more groundbreaking gadgets on the horizon. Stay tuned to our channel for exclusive insights and reviews of the latest tech marvels. If you're searching for the ultimate off-road vehicle, look no further than the Howe and Howe Ripsaw. Combining the ruggedness of a tank with the agility of a supercar, the Ripsaw is a military-tested marvel that's both easy to drive and virtually unstoppable. Famed for its appearance in Fast and Furious 8, the Ripsaw's roots lie in military service. Debuting at the 2001 Dallas Auto Show, it quickly caught the attention of the U.S. Army. Howe and Howe Technologies worked with the military to deploy the Ripsaw MS-1 prototype in Iraq, testing it as a versatile remote-controlled armored vehicle. The latest military iteration, the Ripsaw M5, was released in 2020, with prototypes equipped with anti-tank missiles, a 30mm cannon, and comprehensive armor packages currently under Army evaluation. For civilian enthusiasts, Howe and Howe offers the Ripsaw F4, a customizable passenger version. And this model features seating for 4, a top speed of 55 miles per hour and 20 inches of ground clearance, making it perfect for off-road adventures with a tight 8-foot turning radius. Built near Old Orchard Beach, Maine, the Ripsaw EV3 F4 exemplifies Howe and Howe's expertise in creating high-performance tracked vehicles. The EV3 F4, with its high-strength tubular steel exoskeleton and Duramax turbodiesel V8 engine, offers 800 horsepower and 1,500 pound-feet of torque, making it the world's fastest dual-tracked vehicle. The exterior boasts a rugged design with a matte black finish, gull-wing doors, high-intensity LED lamps, an infrared light bar, and multiple winches and storage options. Inside, the luxury continues with heated and cooled leather Recaro seats, a Bose intercom system, and customizable Garmin touchscreens. Owners can expect to turn heads and evoke envy with the Ripsaw EV3 F4, a personal recreational tank that stands out not just for its military-grade capabilities, but also for its unique blend of power, luxury, and versatility. Are you looking for a top-tier sharpening system? The WorkSharp Ken Onion Edition might just be what you need. Combining precision, versatility, and ease of use, this sharpening tool is designed to handle everything from delicate honing to heavy-duty grinding, making it essential for both casual users and knife enthusiasts. This system features an adjustable sharpening guide, allowing you to set precise edge bevels from 15 to 30 degrees. Powered by a 120 VAC 1.5 amp motor with a continuous duty cycle of 1 hour, it offers reliable performance. The variable speed motor ensures you have the right power and cooling for any task, whether it's slow speed honing or high speed grinding. The WorkSharp Ken Onion Edition uses premium flexible abrasive belts that deliver a strong, long-lasting, razor-sharp convex edge. It's fast, precise, and repeatable, requiring no setup or calibration time. The 6000 grit belt is particularly effective for serrations and hard-to-reach edges, ensuring your blades are always in top condition. Proudly made by WorkSharp, a division of the 4th-generation family-owned Darex in Ashland, Oregon, this sharpener reflects over 40 years of engineering excellence. Traditional sharpening systems often trace their roots to designs like the Graves sharpener, with 2 ceramic rods forming a V shape, similar to the Spyderco Sharpmaker. Others, like the Lansky system, hold the knife stationary while sharpening with rods or blocks at a fixed angle. These methods, while effective, lack the efficiency and ease of powered systems. Many powered sharpeners are too harsh on blades, but this gadget is an exception. It's the first powered sharpener that doesn't damage blades, offering a gentle yet effective sharpening solution. This also sharpens even large and tough blades like the BK9 with ease. This gadget looks like a corded drill with a unique attachment. It boasts a stronger motor, an ergonomic handle, and a variable speed trigger for versatile use. The belt runs in a triangular pattern, with guides ensuring consistent angles. It also features a mini grinder attachment for more detailed work, mimicking large-scale grinders used in professional shops. This system includes 4 high-quality belts for different levels of sharpening, from coarse to polished. While third-party belts are available, they often lack the durability and grit retention of the original WorkSharp belts. If you're looking for a way to stay active and productive at your desk, the FluidStance plane is a fantastic solution. This ergonomic balance board is engineered to provide the perfect mix of stability and movement, allowing you to engage in micro-movements that strengthen muscles, soothe stiff joints, burn calories, and increase your heart rate. It's ideal for use with a standing desk, enabling you to rock, swivel, do toe raises, or even dance while you work. Compared to sitting, using the plane balance board can increase your caloric burn by up to 19.2% and elevate your heart rate by up to 15%. This is because standing on the board requires constant movement, which helps to engage more muscles and keep your body active throughout the day. The plane is also designed with safety and practicality in mind. It features a durable, solid build with superior grip and rubber bumpers that provide natural stopping points, ensuring you can work without worrying about falling off or getting injured. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry between home and office. FluidStance takes pride in its commitment to sustainability. The top deck of the plane is made from 100% recycled low-emitting tire treads, and the base material is made from recycled plastic. Additionally, the company donates 1% of its earnings to charity. Each plane balance board is assembled by hand in FluidStance's California-based warehouse, showcasing the brand's dedication to quality and local manufacturing. The plane's 360-degree tilt range encourages natural micro-movements, which help to stabilize your body and soothe stiff joints. This makes it a perfect companion for those who spend long hours standing at their desks. Its cushy, textured foam top ensures comfort, allowing you to stand for longer periods without feeling fatigued. By keeping you moving, the plane helps to prevent the aches and pains that often accompany prolonged standing. One of the key benefits of the plane balance board is that it can add an element of fun to your daily routine. Its slight wobble is enough to keep you active and engaged without being distracted. Whether you're at home or in the office, the plane can turn standing into a playful and enjoyable activity. FluidStance's innovative use of recycled materials and thoughtful design exemplify how products can promote healthier work routines and sustainable practices. Standing desks are great, but standing all day can lead to posture problems, back pain, and stiff joints. The FluidStance plane changes this as it enhances the benefits of a standing desk by keeping your lower body in motion, thus preventing these issues. It's a well-researched and meticulously designed product that offers a unique solution to the challenges of standing desk use. By encouraging movement and improving posture, the plane makes working upright more comfortable and enjoyable. If you're serious about maintaining a good standing posture and staying active at your desk, the FluidStance plane is an excellent investment. It might be a bit pricey, but its benefits in terms of health, sustainability, and overall work experience make it worth considering. This balance board is more than just a piece of office equipment. It's a tool for a healthier, more active lifestyle. Imagine drifting off to sleep with the tranquil sound of raindrops, or filling your room with the soothing aroma of essential oils. As promised in the beginning, this gadget, the Rain Cloud Humidifier, offers just that, combining a relaxing rain simulator with the benefits of an essential oil diffuser. This innovative device is perfect for anyone seeking a calming and peaceful atmosphere at home. One of the standout features of the Rain Cloud Humidifier is its ability to produce realistic rain sounds. This unique water drop sound feature creates a serene environment, helping you unwind after a long day. If you love falling asleep to the sound of rain, this humidifier is an excellent choice. Not just a humidifier, this product also functions as an essential oil diffuser. By adding a few drops of your favorite oil, you can enjoy a fragrant mist that enhances air quality and promotes relaxation. This dual functionality makes it a versatile addition to any room. The Rain Cloud Humidifier is designed for convenience and ease of use. It features mist and light functions that operate separately, allowing you to turn off the light at night while keeping the mist on, or use the diffuser as a nightlight. This flexibility makes it a great companion for activities like reading, sleeping, working, or practicing yoga. With its smart app control, you can manage your humidifier from your phone via Bluetooth. This feature allows you to turn the device on or off, change lighting and rain modes, adjust misting settings, and set a timer, all from up to 32.8 feet away. This remote control capability adds a layer of convenience to your experience. Made from high-quality, BPA-free PP material, the Rain Cloud Humidifier is both durable and safe. It also includes a timer function to ensure the device turns off automatically during breaks and shuts off automatically when the water runs out, preventing any potential hazards. The humidifier comes with 7 soft light colors, which you can set to cycle through or remain on a single color. This feature combines practicality and aesthetics, making it an essential tool for anyone who enjoys creating a relaxing environment. While the Rain Cloud Humidifier adds moisture to the air, it's important to note that it may not significantly change humidity levels in larger rooms. It's best used for its soothing sounds, lighting, and aromatherapy benefits. For significant humidity control, a standard humidifier might be more effective. Keeping your humidifier clean is crucial to ensure the vapor released into the air is pure. Use clean, distilled water to prevent mineral buildup and regularly clean the tank to avoid pollution. Be cautious with essential oils, as they can clog the machine if used in large amounts. The Rain Cloud Humidifier makes a thoughtful and practical gift for anyone. With its combination of style, design, and functionality, it's a quality-assured hit that everyone can benefit from. In conclusion, the Rain Cloud Humidifier is an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their home environment with soothing sounds, aromatic benefits, and ambient lighting. While it might not be the most powerful humidifier, its unique features make it a delightful addition to any room. These innovative products combine cutting-edge technology with thoughtful design, enhancing everyday life. The floating cloud lamp mesmerizes with levitation and lights, while Darkfin Durafin gloves boost aquatic activities. The swinging stick kinetic sculpture offers a calming visual experience, and the GPD Win 4 handheld gaming PC redefines portable gaming. The Rain Cloud Humidifier soothes rain sounds and essential oils, and the FluidStance plain balance board promotes active desk work. Don't miss out. Like, subscribe, and comment to stay in the loop with our latest gadget reviews. Join us in our next video where we'll dive into more groundbreaking gadgets that will take your outdoor adventures to the next level. Stay tuned for more excitement and don't miss this one out.